to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to multiply decimals, okay, Zahra?
Okay.
So here are our questions and I've copied it to our workspace. And let's start with the first one, okay? So
That's a little bit hard. And how do we multiply decimals?
So it's just like adding and subtracting decimals, but instead of aligning the dots or decimals or whatever, instead of aligning it, you can do it however you want. You don't have to align it like this question right here. Do you see it? So like 5.5 and the 3 is not under the 5. It's just right there. So that's why that's the only main difference, okay? And by the way, you don't add your decimal point right now. You solve it first, and then you see how many spaces there are. Like, look, the decimal is 1 here and 1 here. 1 and 1 is 2, right? So then you move 2 decimal points to the left in the entire answer, okay? Okay, now let's start. What's 6 times 5?
30.
Let's write our 30. What's 6 times 1?
6.
Plus 3?
9.
Okay. Let's add our placeholder.
Oh yeah! Even in decimals there are placeholders?
Yep. Because it's multiplying.
Okay. 10.
5 times 2 is 10.
And 2.
Wait, let me write the 10 down. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, right? So we get
390. And we move to
90. Okay.
So it's 39.
So now we move 2. So this is the decimal right
I
now.
mean, it's 3.9, right?
Yeah, so this is the decimal right now. We move 2 spaces. 1, 2. This is where the decimal it goes now. So let's write it down here. The answer will be 3.9. Okay? Let's move on to the next one now. So what's 8 times 7?
56.
Okay, let's a little too big.
I mean 55.
Are you sure? I think your first answer was correct.
Oh.
56.
Okay.
7 times 7 is?
49.
Plus 5 is?
54.
It's 44, okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, yeah, you're correct. It's 54. 49 plus 5 is 54.
Yeah, I was like,
54. Okay, now let's move on. 6 times 8 is?
48. Our placeholder.
Oh no! Good job, you remembered. Good job, you remembered your beloved placeholder. Let's put a 4 here. 6 times 7 is?
42.
42 plus 4 is 46. Let's add it all. And we should get... let's do it.
52.26.
Yep, now let's move 2 decimal points. 1, 2. So our answer will be... What will be our answer?
52.26.
Good job. Okay.
Let's move on.
Yeah, 5 times 2 is?
10.
Okay. 5 times 9 is?
45.
Plus 1?
50.
Nope, it's 46.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Is that our placeholder?
Yep.
4 times 2 is 8. 4 times
36.
9 is 36. That was fast. 0 plus 0 is 0.
14.
6 plus 8 is 14.
11.
11.
4.
And we get 4. So our answer,
41.4.
since we have 2 decimals, so we just need 1. 2. So 41.40, right? Okay. Let's go on to the next one, which is 3.6 times 3.4. That sounds a little confusing, but once you get to know it, okay, 6 times 4 is?
24.
And see 4. 4 times 3 is?
12.
Plus 2 is 14, right? Okay. 6 times 3 is?
18.
18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, right? What is our answer?
1, 2, 2, 4.
Good job.
1, 2, 2. 12.24. Sorry.
There we go. So let's write it down. 12.24. Okay, let's move on. 6 times 9 is?
54.
Okay. 54. 9 times 4 is?
36.
36 plus 5 is?
41.
Is that our placeholder? 6 times 3 is?
18.
4 times 3 is?
12.
Plus 1?
13.
Okay, let's add it all. 4 plus 0 is 4.
17.94.
Correct. Let's write it down. 17.94. And the last one, which I honestly think is the easiest one.
I think the answer is 16.5.
That fast?
Yeah.
5, let's check. 5 times 3 is 15.
I'm getting better at
5 times
that.
3 is 15. Yeah. 15 plus 1 is 16. And you're right, 16.5. That was the fastest one. This one. All we had to do is one digit, right? And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Smash those like and subscribe buttons and bye.